Morning everyone. This class is about pineal gland. Let us go into the class. This class is very important for those who are preparing NEET as well as the class 11 board examination. Okay, this is very important. So carefully watch this class. In the last class we have seen about, let me take the pointer. In the last class we have seen about the pituitary gland, isn't it? See, this is the pituitary gland, whereas this one is the pineal gland. Okay, why it got this name? In the sense, it is like a cone shape, a tiny cone shape, so it is called as pineal gland. Okay, and how it is pronounced? In the sense, pineal gland. Okay, and the function of this pineal gland is least understood. Okay, it is not completely understood, but let us see how this is functioning. Okay, where it is present, the location of this pineal gland is very important. So make a note of it. This is for NEET as well as your board examination. They'll ask the question. Okay, which part of the brain this pineal gland is present? In the sense, what is your answer? Is the dorsal side of forebrain. Okay, the dorsal side of forebrain. We have seen already. This is the dorsal side of the forebrain. Okay, dorsal side of the forebrain it present. And what hormone it secretes? You have to note, make a note. The hormone is called as melatonin. Okay, the hormone is called as melatonin, and it is very important for the pigmentation of our skin. Okay, so melatonin, in the sense, melanin, the pigment which is present present in our skin is melanin. Okay, melanin pigment that is stimulated by this hormone. The production of melanin pigment is stimulated by this hormone. So this hormone is very important. It is secreted by pineal gland, and the only hormone secreted by pineal gland is melatonin. Okay, so keep in mind. And next one, very important role. What it does? In the sense, the main important function of the melatonin is circadian rhythm of our body. Okay, see, morning we are waking up, and night we are going to bed. Anyway, we are going to bed. Maybe it is 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, 11, 12. It depends upon the person and the work they do, isn't it? And morning, but whatever it may be, morning they get up by 5, 6, 7. Somebody, they late night, if they sleep, in the sense 9 o'clock they. Okay, so everything is controlled by whom? In the sense, it is melatonin. Okay, naturally we get sleep during the night time. Okay, that is the function of the melatonin. Okay, and morning we are getting up, in the sense, that is also the function of the melatonin. When the light falls on our eyes, it directly it goes into the brain. That message gives the gland, the pineal gland, to stop secreting the melatonin. Okay, so that is one thing. This is the main function of the melatonin. Keep in your mind as a story, and make a note also. Circadian rhythm or diurnal rhythm of our body is controlled by melatonin or regulated by the melatonin. Okay, how many? 24 hour. What is the circadian rhythm? It is 24 hour. Morning as well as night time is under the control. Our body is under the control of melatonin. Okay, and also one more. Body temperature is also under the control of melatonin hormone. It is secreted by which gland? Pineal gland. Okay, and apart from that, what are the other function? In the sense, metabolism, pigmentation, I already told you, and menstrual cycle, as well as the defense capability of our body is also depend upon the melatonin. Okay, and one more important point we are going to see is this pineal gland. See, it is present here. Okay, at the base of the corpus callosum. This is the corpus callosum. What is corpus callosum? We will see. And this pineal gland is otherwise called as epiphysis cerebri. Okay, epiphysis cerebri. See, this is the pituitary gland. What is the other name of the pituitary gland? hypophysis, isn't it? In the last class we have seen hypophysis, and this is epiphysis. Okay, epiphysis cerebri. Which one? The pineal gland. So where it is present in the sense, what is your answer? It is at the back part of the corpus callosum. Okay, beneath the corpus callosum and back part of the corpus. If this is the corpus callosum, this is corpus callosum, this is present at the back part of the corpus callosum. Okay, now let us see what is corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is nothing but nerve fibers. Okay, a bundle of nerve fiber that connect the two hemispheres, that is left and right hemispheres. We will see that this one. See, this is the left hemisphere and this is the right hemisphere, and these two are connected by a bundle of nerve fibers. Okay, you can see at the middle, at the base, this one. Okay, this part is the corpus callosum, a bundle of nerve fibers which connects at the base of the hemisphere. Okay, left hemisphere, this is left and this is the right hemisphere. It is connecting at the base. Okay, it is connected. Have you seen this? Dorsal side there is a deep groove we can see, but at the back side, ventral side, these two are connected by a bundle of nerve fiber that is called as corpus callosum. Clear? Now let us see what is melanin. So I already told you melanin is a hormone that is mainly produced by the pineal gland, and the importance is till now it is not clear, and the main thing is circadian rhythm of our body is under the control of melatonin. Okay, this is what other function is not clear till now. Okay, the research is going on this pineal gland. Now see, this the high level of this melatonin hormone is secreted only during the darkness. Okay, so after the sleep, during the sleep only, when our body we fall asleep during the night time, at that time only this hormone will be secreted by the pineal gland. So this hormone is called as sleep hormone. Okay, what it is called? It is sleep hormone. So if the question comes over which hormone is called a sleep hormone, in the sense, immediately you have to give the answer melatonin is the sleep hormone. Okay, without any doubt you have to give. Okay, so when it produces only the night time. Okay, only during the night time after sleep. Okay, when we, so why usually the elders will say go to bed early. Okay, so melanin is very very important for the happiness of our life also. Okay, that in the later part we will see. So today onwards, what you are doing, you are going to bed at 9 o'clock, so you will get sleep at 10. Okay, at 10 o'clock. Sometimes somebody will go at 11 or at 12 according to that. So the melanin secrete when they sleep only, it secretes. Okay, so if your body is healthy and if you want to be very happy, in the sense, this melanin is very very important. Secretion of melanin is important. So when it secretes in large amount, it secretes only during the night time as well as in the dark. Okay, if light falls on your eyes, that message will be carried to the brain, and which will stop, in the sense, the melanin secretion will be stopped by the gland. Which gland? Pineal gland. And GIAS Academy is offering IIT JEE NEET and CA program at your school campus. So interested schools can contact. The fee is very affordable. These are the numbers you can contact and get the details. And melatonin, if it is not secreted in a proper way, what happens we will see. Okay, so I told you melatonin is very very important for the healthy body as well as the happy mind. Okay, happy mind, which is very very important. Melatonin, the hormone melatonin, is very very important. Okay, it protects against the neurodegeneration. Okay, it protects our body from neurodegeneration. What is that? Damage of nerve cells. Okay, that is called as neurodegeneration, in the sense, if it is not produced in a proper amount, our nerves will destroy. Okay, destroyed slowly, it degenerate. Okay, so which hormone is very very important? Melatonin is very very important. So go to bed at perfect time, so your melatonin will secrete in a normal amount and your body will be very healthy and your mind also very very happy. Okay. And see, what is the disease called? In the sense, there are two diseases affected by our body when this hormone is not secreted in a proper amount. Okay, so what are those diseases? In the sense, Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease means memory loss. The person slowly loses his memory. Okay, and the next disease is called as Parkinson disease. What is Parkinson disease? In the sense, so you can see this person is unable to stand erect, as well as his finger is somewhat tremor, the hands tremor. Okay, the heel loss of memory, and he can't walk properly, his posture is not proper, and the body is very rigid. Okay, it is not flexible. So all these are the because of the lower secretion or lesser secretion of this melatonin. Okay, so melatonin is very, very important. So in time you have to go to bed. Okay, now can a person live without a pineal gland? This is a question. We can live without a pineal gland, but it is little bit difficult. That is, our sleeping pattern will be affected, and some other physiological function also affected. That is the circadian rhythm I told na, that will be affected if the pineal gland is not there. So why it is not there? In the sense, in some conditions this will be affected. See, some tumor affects this pineal gland, or some other what accidents, if anything happens to the brain, that will be affected. So at that time this pineal gland will be removed by operation or surgery. Okay, removed by the surgery. That is called as, that process is called as, that is the removal of pineal gland by surgery is called as pinealectomy. Okay, so make a note of this point, pinealectomy. Okay, if this pineal gland is removed by surgery. Okay, in inevitable situation only the doctors remove this one. So we can live without this, but a little bit disturbance will be happen in our life. Okay, the circadian rhythm will be affected, and some psychological functions also affected. The sleeping pattern will be affected. So all these are the if there is no pineal gland, our body will be susceptible to so and so thing. Okay, and what is the pineal gland made up of? We will see. What is the pineal gland made up of? The brain itself, it is millions and millions of 100 million billions of nerve cells are present in the brain, isn't it? So automatically this pineal gland is also made up of neurons, isn't it? Neurons as well as neuroglial cells. Neuroglial cells, in the sense, the cell which supports the neurons are called as neuroglial. Okay, the food material, the nutrient, everything will be given to the neuron only through the neuroglial cells. Okay, and specialized secreting cells are called as pinealocytes. Okay, the cells which secretes the hormone. Which hormone? Melatonin. Okay, is by the pinealocytes. This hormone is secreted by pinealocytes. Okay, and the secretion is directly secreted into the, see, for example, this is the brain. In the sense, this hormone is secreted into the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, cerebrospinal fluid, and this flow in and around the hollow spaces of the brain as well as the spinal cord. See, some hollow spaces will be present in the brain. So it will be secreted and released into the hollow space as well as in the spinal cord. Okay, and then from the spinal cord it takes into the bloodstream. Okay, so this is the pineal gland and how the secretions are going to different parts of the body. Okay, and let us see how big the pineal gland is. Okay, the length of the pineal gland is 0.8 centimeter. Okay, not even 1 centimeter. Okay, the weight, if you see, it is 0.1 grams. So these are all very important. This will come in the examination. So make a note. Okay, these are collected from various sources. So carefully listen the class and take points. Okay, keep a separate note for this and make point. And this is a very important question which comes in the NEET examination. So what is the weight about the pineal gland? It is 0.1 gram, not even 1 gram, 0.1 gram. Okay, so you can see the gland here. This is the pituitary gland and this is the pineal gland. Okay, see this one is the pineal gland and this is the pituitary gland. Okay, what condition and disorder affect the pineal gland? Pineal glands are affected by the tumors. Already I told you, tumors, okay, as well as some injuries. See, if there is any accident or any fall that affects the brain, in the sense sometimes that pineal gland also affected. Okay, and the pineal gland calcification. See, we have to take our food in a proper way. Okay, proper way to keep all the organs. See, each and every organ in our body is very, very important. So we have to take care all the glands, and nutritious food we have to take. The junk foods we have to avoid, and the pasta and all the western foods we have to avoid. Okay, so we have to take the vegetables, fruits in a proper amount, as well as good vegetables. Good in the sense it is not affected by chemicals and it is not under the pesticides. Okay, so we have to select the food, vegetables as well as fruits, and we have to buy, if it is possible, go to the farms and get it, or the organic shops are there, organic online shops are there, get a good food and take. Okay, and pineal gland tumors, whom it affect, in the sense it affect the children as well as the adult. They are younger than 40. Okay, younger than 40, those people only often affected by the tumor, pineal gland tumor. Okay, this point is also very important, so make a note. And what are the three different disorders it affects the pineal gland, in the sense pineal gland tumor, injuries, as well as the calcification of the gland. Calcification in the sense calcium deposited on the pineal gland. Okay, and what can I do to keep my pineal gland healthy? See, this point is not given very clearly, how to keep this pineal gland. See, this is the pineal gland, how to keep this pineal gland healthy, in the sense it is not given in a good way. But as a meditator, I am a meditator, so I can give you one thing. The meditation keeps your pineal gland very healthy, and it secretes a melatonin in a normal amount. So meditation helps a lot to keep this gland, which gland, the pineal gland, healthy, as well as the amount which secretes also in a normal way. Okay, this is under the research. The meditation, when we do the meditation, there is a change in our body, there is a change in our brain, there is a change in neurons. Okay, this is studied by many people and it is given. What is that, in the sense there is a morphometric change in melatoninergic structure in a long term meditation practitioner. Okay, see, if you are doing the meditation for a long time, what is happening, your melatonin will be secreted in a normal amount and your body will be very healthy. Okay, and you will get sleep nicely, and you wake up nicely, you will get a peace of mind. Okay, so if it is possible, morning 30 minutes, and before going into bed 30 minutes, you can sit calmly. Okay, calmly you can sit aside, and in a low dim light you can do the meditation. That helps you a lot, and you get a lot of concentration also. Okay, and this melatonin secretion is also in a normal amount, and it keeps your body healthy. Okay, so do meditation. And I am a meditator. I am doing since 2020. I'm getting a very good result after doing the meditation. Okay, I'll sit for 1 hour. So yeah, we do a long breath also at the time of meditation. See, this is the pose of the meditation. You have to keep your fingers, that is the thumb finger as well as the index finger, we have to hold it like this and keep aside in the dark. Okay, we will get a peace in your mind, as well as your breath also. see, you can breathe the oxygen, isn't it, from the outside. So the breathe, you will take a deep breath, so the amount of oxygen you get in your body is in a larger amount, and that will be utilized by each and every part of the body, and the body, each and every cell gets a large amount of oxygen, so your body will be very very healthy. That is the science of meditation actually. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to sit in this pose and observe your breath. Only observe your breath. Slowly calm down your thoughts and observe your breath by closing your eyes. Okay, so automatically if you close your eyes, some darkness we find in our body, so the melatonin secretion will be slowly start to secrete. And when you are taking this oxygen, the breath, if you concentrate on your breath, your breath will be a deepest breath. The oxygen, you can find the breath goes till here, you can feel it. Okay, so a large amount of oxygen will be taken in by the lungs, and it's supplied to different parts of the body, so your body will be very very healthy. So do the meditation. Okay, practice this meditation for at least 30 minutes. Start at least 10 minutes, then 20, 30. Now I am doing for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour I am doing, so I am so healthy. That is because of the secretion of the melatonin. And another one, the meditation brings down your stress also. See, from morning till evening or till night you are studying, isn't it? Sometimes during the examination also you will get stress or anxiety, whether I can write the answers for a particular questions, whether I know or I studied. So many questions will arise in your body, isn't it? Arise in your mind, isn't it? So what will create there in the sense an anxiety as well as a stress created in you. That will be suppress the melatonin productions. Okay, so keep cool your body always. Automatically the melatonin secretes in a normal way. Okay, so you will be very very healthy. So practice meditation. That is very very important to keep your mind cool always. Okay, whatever may be the situation, don't worry about it. If you are doing meditation, automatically you won't worry about anything. Okay, everything you will take very coolly. So do meditation. Okay, see, this is the author Manly P. Hall. He has written a book about the pineal gland, and he has given a name, the eye of God. Really the magic starts if you sit for meditation. The magic starts, you will achieve everything. And see, for example, if you are studying for 1 hour a chapter, after doing meditation you will finish it within 10 minutes. Okay, and it understand very easily, it enter into your mind very easily, and that will be keep a long term memory. Okay, what you are studying after doing the meditation, no, so everything will be enter into your mind and in your mind for a longer time. Okay, so long term memory it goes. Okay, so do meditation and get benefited from the meditation. And here JAS Academy is offering foundation program for IIT JEE as well as NEET to class 6 to 10, and advanced program for class 11 and 12. So interested members can contact. The fee is affordable. Contact the following numbers and get the details. Thank you so much. And other video links are given in the description box, so don't forget to see the other videos and subscribe this channel and share this channel to your friends, those are preparing for NEET and for NEET examination as well as the board examination. So thank you so much for subscribing this channel.